Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to unblock contact in Emo in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Emo on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Security and Privacy. Under Security, tap on Blocked List. Here it will show you all the people you've blocked. To unblock them, simply tap on the unblock icon at the right side. Tap on Unblock again to confirm your action. And that is how to unblock Emo contacts. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.